guy's third video. There's the dad. I couldn't see him anywhere, but that's it. There's the dad right there. That's the dad right there. I mean, that's a cardinal right there. That was 25 seconds ago. But yeah, this is pretty much my life. All seen birds, and everyone goes. Shit, flying. Oh, look at. What are you doing? What the? I would just like, what do you? Oh, he went away. That's what happened. No way. Okay, and I guess I'll just have to film this cardinal right here. In the first video, there's a bunch of birds. Please fly away, please, so I can get you on camp. Thank you. Oh, everyone goes. Okay, that's the dad. Okay, I'm that's all we have to film today. Wow. That's all we have to film. Wow. That's all I have to film. You. That was a big appearance. To the camera.